I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making a working copy and opening your PDF in a metadata-capable editor. Once opened, navigate to the Document Properties or Metadata pane so you can see the producer field. Make sure the file isn't password protected or flattened. If it is, unlock or obtain the original source first. You're doing this to avoid corruption and preserve a clean revision history. After verifying tools and file state, prepare the exact new producer name you will write into the metadata fields. Now change the metadata entries, edit producer, and when relevant, creator or creation tool to the new name. In Acrobat, use file properties description, then edit producer if available. In command line tools like exif tool or pdftk, write the exact key names and values. Once done, ensure you don't trigger content re-rendering unless you want a new modification date. Choose metadata only save. Because different tools map fields differently, check the PDF's XMP metadata block to finish by verifying your edits. Reopen the PDF and inspect the metadata in another viewer or with an XMP inspector to confirm the producer value updated. If the change didn't stick, try writing the XMP packet directly or use an alternate tool that updates both info and XMP metadata. Make sure to save a verified backup and record which tool and timestamp produce the final file, so you can reproduce or audit the change later. Troubleshooting tip: if values revert, check for file-level locks or server-side preprocessing that rewrites metadata.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.